may nakita akong kumakalat na picture ni Diwata running for party list representative and Rosmar. If it's not enough na si Luis Manzano, artista today, biglang tumakbo ng vice governor, we have social media people now in office as well. Somebody on my Facebook feed posted, yung kay Rosmar, medyo questionable yun. But at least Diwata is actually a legitimate vendor. Enough na ba na sikat ka? Enough na ba that you're representing your sector? In the same way na dahil si Diwata may paresan, enough na ba yun para i-represent niya yung party list of vendors? Ang sagot dito, no, it's not enough because as lawmakers, they're part of the legislative branch. What matters is that you actually know, one, how to be a decent public servant, and two, you're knowledgeable in politics and lawmaking. Kailangan alam mo yung ginagawa mo because politics affects people. So hindi basta-basta pwedeng pumasok ng politics kahit na sabihin mo ikaw pa yung pinakamabait na tao sa mundo. Hindi uubra yun.